cameraman here. All right. Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Benny Breaks It here, and today we're going to see if this Ford F-150 will run off of Coca-Cola. Here I have JMP Saves Cars here to help me. Let me see those. You gotta, Jesus. All right, let me see if I can juggle these. I can't. Oh shit! All right. You gotta save it. All right. Anyway, come here, folks. I got it. I got it in my eye.
Where's the hole in this? It's ready to spray.
We got a squirter, folks. All right. So, how are we gonna do this?
Wait. Shotgun. When you take the cap off and put a hole here, it's gonna shotgun it. Where's the fucking hole? Okay. It's ready.
All right. Let's see what happens. We can just throttle this from over here, right? Yeah. Test number one complete. We'll be back. All right, guys, back from the hospital. Minor leg amputation. They did great. We decided to stop at the local gas station and get some Mentos. So we're still doing our Coca-Cola challenge. We got 2 liters of Coca-Cola. And we're just gonna top it off and shoot some Mentos down and see what the fuck happens.
That was disturbing. That was very disturbing.
And the video's done. Let me get a couple of these bad boys ready. No. No. All right, who's gonna be throttled? You want a man to throttle?
You want to do throttle, boss?
Hoss or boss?
Boss man, you touch the throttle for me.
All right, just try to hold it at like 3,000 RPM. But if it starts dying, you're gonna have to try to feather it. It doesn't like Coca-Cola, right? Try to start it. Try to start it. Woo!
Something happened.
All right, that's a bit smoky, pal.
We got parts out, I think.
Took 6 liters like a champ.
Yep, that's all, folks.
I squeezed it in.